Got a couple of them out here eating peanuts. So let's see if they'll come. They get scared when the window opens. You want a peanut? You want another one? This one is so little. I can't imagine she'll take a peanut. Too little. Come here. Come on over. Got peanuts for you. Here. You coming over, Big Mama? Come on, Mama. Mama. Oh, Mama's not coming either. Shy girls. Make them come close. It'll be a nice day today. I can leave the window open a little. Come on, Mama. I see ya. Come on. Here. Here. She's gonna run. I'm not coming over there. There's another one. See the shadows? They're going up and down the ladder. We call it a ladder. It's a stick. You want to take one? Here. I've been letting them get off and not making them take from my hand, just taking them from right there. And that's what I'm going to end up with, shy kits. They'll get there. I hear them running around upstairs. We'll see what happens. Oh, here comes another one. You going to take a peanut? Come on. Come on in. Try to entice them a little. Here. Here. That's actually a male. You don't usually get males. But that's why he's so shy. He doesn't live here.